if you have worked with Microsoft softwares before, like Microsoft Excel, your job here is easier because the Microsoft apps workplace is almost the same. All contain ribbons, tabs, and the area of working related program. Microsoft Projects interface. If you open the Microsoft Projects, you will see the welcome page. And here you see new and open options. The new option, as it is clear from its name, opens a new project. It can be a blank project or any other predefined project. Open a project in Microsoft Project. And Open option opens any MSP files. Here, we used commercial construction template just to have a view of Microsoft Project. On the ribbon, you have the tools to change the colors and fonts, link or unlink the activities, modify the calendars, resources, and any other options. If I go to the View tab and check Timeline, in below you have the timeline. It is a great tool to have an overview of the project. Here we have two sections, left and right. The left one is for WBSs and activities of the project. We call them tasks. And the right is Gantt chart. You can see bars for days and some additional information which relates to the activities you inserted in the left side, their duration and links. Generally, in Microsoft Project, we have 4 sections. The top is Toolbar, the left is WBSs and activities, the right is Gantt chart, and in down we have the options, or it is called task form. If you don't have a task form like mine, go to View, check the details, and select the task form. It is activated. New project in Microsoft Project. When you open a new project or blank project, you will have the Task tab where you can write the activities and related options such as creating WBS or changing the mode of activity. In the View tab, you can assign resources. In the Resources tab, if you have created or leveled resources or see the resource detail. In Report tab, after you input the data like adding resources or work and all necessary data, or when you need to update the project, you can get a variety of reports, such as man-hour or progress report, by pivots and tables on a time basis, day, week, months, or years. In the Project tab also, you can manage the project information such as calendar, link between projects, set baseline, and set the data date. In View tab also, you can set the filters, sort activities, or zoom the Gantt chart. Gantt chart format. In this tab also, you can organize the format of Gantt chart and select the options which you need to be shown. All that I mentioned here is just an overview of Microsoft Project. We will cover and work on in detail in the next lessons.